Well, this is the truck. It's an F350 Ford, and it has an IDI 7.3 engine. This is a 1993. As you can see, it's been sitting for a long time. I had this truck for years and I don't use it much. The reservoir for the brake fluid is very low, so I have to fill it a little bit. Have to clean up the engine bay. I just swept a little bit of debris that was on top of the truck. I have to replace the cap lights. As you can see, it's missing one in the middle, and it's broken over here. Long time ago I got, newer fenders. They're not new, but they're new to this truck. I got it off of the another truck, and the bed is dirty and it has a lot of debris and leaf and tree branches and stuff like that. Look at this. I have to clean this up. Got a lot of stuff in there, but I did cover the seats. The seats are in nice condition. They're not ripped apart or anything like that. And in the back I also have a lot of stuff on the floor, and these seats, they were covered too. Here's the towels. So you see it's in nice condition inside. The headliner is in very nice condition. The dashboard, the only thing that is broken is the black cover that goes around the gauges, but there's only just one big plastic part that can be replaced easily. The door panels and everything is in nice condition. The carpet is good. It's just a little dirty, but the carpet is good. You see? And the front carpet is also good. You see, I have to clean it up a little bit, but it's in nice condition inside. You see, the whole dash is not even cracked on top or anything like that. The seats are in nice condition. The headrest is nice. All of the four headrests are in good condition. Sun visors, with the mirror and everything, it's cool. It's a cool truck so far. And the doors, look at this. I'm not even putting effort into it. Hold on, they close shut. That's the front. This is the back. You see, just like that. Just like that. And the other side too. Let me show you. This will be the driver's side. This is the door that we use the most. Look, I'm not even putting effort into it. I'm just let it go. Hold on. It closes real shut. Look at this. Look. Flush. It's a cool truck, and it still has the two fuel tanks. This is the front one, and this is the back. I have to do some fab repair on this fender. It's the only thing that both of the fenders needed to be replaced. I repaired a little bit when I replaced them. Let me see the other one. I don't even remember the other one. Now the other one is in good condition, front and back. It's just the driver's side fender, and I have to press this light when the previous owner probably backed into something, because you can see over here is a little dent, and it messed up the fenders, messed up the lights over here. This one is not. This one is nice, but on the back over here, on the back corner, it's a little dented in, but that's nothing major. And the roof of the truck is actually in good condition. Only thing is I have to, I have the cap lights, the all 5 cap lights for it, and the paint is peeling a little bit on the top. That's the only thing, but I can buff this up and make it nice again. Well, let me fill this reservoir and I'll be back. Okay, I got some brake fluid. Let's pour some. Let's fill it up. That's enough. Put the cap on. Now we are completely sure the brakes are gonna work. And this battery terminal need to be replaced. This one, I remember replacing this one a long time ago. I can probably reuse this and repair the connection over here. Put some new wires, or I don't know, do something better. I can do better. Okay, I'll be back. Well, as you can see, I got 2 brand new tires for the back. Because on this side, this tire, it still have a lot of life left in it, but I just want to replace it for the sake of it. And the inside tire is flat, so I don't even know what's wrong with it. I'm going to replace both of them. On the other side, they're nice, they're good, they don't even crack or anything, because I replaced these tires not too long ago. That's what I did, and I never used the truck again. I just used it for like 2 weeks or something like that, and put the truck away again. So time to revive this beast. Well, we're gonna be using the Trusty Milwaukee to get these nuts loose. Come on. There you go. Nice. See you guys whenever I have all these tires out. Be back. Well, I got the truck with the tires changed. Both tires. Let me show you. There you go. Tires are mounted. I just have to pick up the tools, and I'm gonna go to the back to throw these in the garbage, clean up the bed, and go from there. So stay tuned, and I'll come back over here to watch the truck. So you'll see on this video how the truck turned out with a wash. Old-fashioned water and soap, and that's it. It's smoking a lot. It's supposed to clear up in a minute. Yeah, there you go. It isn't smoking much anymore. Nice. Oh, this is the update on the truck. I'm gonna end the video. I just rinsed the truck. These are some stains on the paint in the back. That's not coming off. That's paint. So yeah, it looks a lot better than it was before. So all I have to do now is clean the inside, and that's it. Well, I'm gonna finish the video, and thank you for watching. And like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. And see you in the next video. Hope you guys like the video. I'm gonna be waiting on the comments to see how many of you like the video of the pickup truck. If I see that is something that I can continue doing on the channel, I will. If you guys don't like it, I just continue with the big trucks. But this truck is gonna be useful for me on this channel because it's the one that I'm gonna be using to get parts and supplies for the big trucks. Big trucks, big and heavy tires. For example, on the Peterbilt, I need to go and get an air compressor for the engine, and I need to get a new fan clutch. Stuff like that is hard to carry on a small car because you bust the trunk. So I would need the pickup truck for that. That's the reason I'm rescuing this truck from oblivion. All right. Thank you, and see you on the next one.